What's up, saxophone players? We're going to be playing Jingle Bells today. Let's go. So just like last time with Jolly Old St. Nicholas, we drop in and see A, B, and C parts. C is going to be the easiest, A is going to be the more medium difficulty level with this one, and part B is going to be your most challenging because there is a new note here. Whoop, whoop. So make sure you check that out if you're going to do part B. Part A is the theme, it's the melody, it's the thing that's going to be the most rewarding. So you might want to stick to A or to C for this one, but for those who are most adventurous, you can choose part B. This song has a special repeat sign in it that we haven't seen yet. It's called a start repeat. So at measure 5, when you get all the way through measure 4, you'll see a double dot and this line. That means when you repeat back from measure 12, you will jump back to measure 5 and play from there, not from the beginning. So you'll go through the beginning, you'll play measure 5 through 8, you'll jump down, go to measure 9, 10, 11, and 12. When you see the 2 dots, you'll jump back to measure 5, go forward again, and then when you get through measure 10, instead of playing 11, just like in Jolly Old St. Nicholas, you'll play measure 13, 14, 15, and 16 to end out the song. I have this broken down into 2 parts, a part 1, which takes you from measure 1 through measure 8, this half note or this quarter note and quarter rest, and then part 2, which is from the half rest or these two quarter notes forward. If you need to break the song down into smaller chunks, that's fine and very appropriate. Whenever I teach this normally to live students in a classroom, we have to break it down into 2 measure phrases a lot of times, maybe even 4 measure phrases if they're really, really good. So really, if you're not practicing this in small doses, it's going to be hard for you. So take your time, measure 1 and measure 2. Make sure it's perfect. Measure 3 and measure 4. Make sure it's perfect. I know that I have my parts by 8 measure phrases, but that's so that you can teach yourself how to practice. Take your time. Don't be in a rush. Focus on the work. And as soon as you focus on the work, you'll find that it goes very fast. I've clicked on my part A. Now we're going to record it. Here we go. I've clicked my part B. Now it's time to record. I've clicked my part C, now it's time to record. Take your time in this song to make sure that every single nuance and passage is learned in a really high quality way before you try to attempt the whole thing. It takes a lot of practice to get a long song like this done perfectly, and if you get somewhere close, I'm going to be super proud of you. Keep up the good work. I cannot wait to hear what it sounds like when it's all put together. You guys are awesome. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.